I'm Cassie, and this is Surprises Play. Today I'm actually at my boyfriend's office to open up this big box because I think I know what it is. So I'm more than excited to open it. So I'm going to open it for you guys and hopefully not bother the guys that are working right now. So without further ado, let's just get started. Excited. Oh, so it might not be what I thought it was because it came with a stand. And some clothes. Cute. Okay, so this isn't what I expected, but we can still open it together. I got this fun stand. It's a bottom, and I think you can get these off of Amazon. I'm not quite sure.
It is a little messy because it's not
okay, you can
finished yet. I have this idea.
Okay, so let me just take it out of here. You can be in it, it's okay. I said I was at your office. I thought this was the boy, but it's not. They even put shoes in here and a backpack. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. And little mini ears. Oh my gosh, look at these little teddy bear ears. So some heeled shoes, that means we have heeled feet in here. Some cute little Mary Janes. Wow, I get to dress my doll. So here's some heeled feet, which I needed. What's in here? Eyes? Yes, eyes. Does she not have eyes in? Oh, I don't have any eye putty with me. That would be cool if she gave me eye putty so I can use it. She comes with this wig. It's a little crazy right now. But she is beautiful. I've been dying to get her. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get her at first, but the more I waited, the more I was like, yes, I need her. Let's just put her wig on so it can have something on her head. I think there might be some clothes. I just wish there was eye putty so I could put her eyes in. I think this has to be alpaca or yarn. I think it's alpaca though. Oh, this wig looks sweet on her. But I probably won't be using this wig. It doesn't like to stay. But here is the face-up of our doll. Just look at her eyes. She's got white eyelashes. Here, let's take off the wig and you can see her better. She's beautiful. I'm so excited for her. I just wish I could put her eyes in right now. I do have wig caps, so wig caps might work. But I want to go over her clothes that she came with. Here, I'll scoot closer now. sweet little skirt. Look at this. This gorgeous dress. I love these Fairylands and their dresses. It smells so good. This person's house smells amazing. Oh, I wish I lived there. Cute. A beanie. This little scarf. It looks like it is knitted. A skirt. This is really cute. And it opens up all the way, which that's my favorite style of clothing. So you don't have to struggle with putting them on your doll. This is a really cute shirt. It's over the shoulders. Another scarf. This one looks crocheted. It could still be knitted though, but it looks crocheted. No, it looks knitted. I think it's knitted. Oh, this dress. It's a little circle dress. It's so cute to have Monster High there. Monster High stuff. Some stockings. Clothes, shoes, and bags. So if I'm looking for extra outfits or I want to redress some of my dolls, this is where I'll go and look for the And there's a couple more items. Oh, cute. Look at this skirt. It has my Monster High brushes. And I have this tank top, which is really cute. And then this brown shirt tank top. The other one was a crop top. This one is just a brown t-shirt. It might go with that really cute skirt. And then another skirt. Now, this is definitely the messiest drawer I have in my room. What a haul. And I love the backpack. And the shoes. So I have these shoes. These shoes. These shoes, which are heeled. So that's why she came with heeled feet. I'm so excited she came with heeled feet. There's her heeled feet. And just look at this backpack, guys. That's Rick.
Done ate all the chicken out at Pizza Ranch, so there's no sense in going there tonight.
You were gonna go to Pizza Ranch tonight?
No, I just came from there. I ate all the chicken.
You did? Yeah!
Isn't it Thursday nights you have your tonight?
Oh yeah! It is Thursday nights. Is today Thursday?
Yeah.
Huh?
I take it you get to go and have chicken and pizza, right?
No, I just eat salad because I'm gluten-free.
You can't eat none of the chicken?
No. Look at this doll, Rick.
Oh, good God.
I got another one.
Yeah, they all got boobies. There's green on it. Somebody bought donuts this morning.
Not me. I wish I could eat them.
No. I'm full.
Chicken's better.
I always eat too much when I go there.
To Pizza Ranch?
Yep.
Are we going there today, honey? Oh, every other week? First week of every month? Okay. I forgot that goes over there. Well, we'll keep this. Come over, COA. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.